Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1992 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. This is 5 marks question, came in GATE 92, and look at the circuit diagram. The circuit uses ideal operational amplifier. Assume that one impedance is at node A and node B. At node A and node B, do not load the preceding bridge stage. Calculate the output voltage V0 whenever RA, RB, RC and RD. A small mistake. The RC value is also 100 ohms. RA, RB, RC, RD all are at 100 ohms. And if RA, RB, RC are at 100 and RD is at 120 ohms, what will be the output voltage? That we are going to calculate. Okay. So if you observe only up to this part, this is going to be treated as differential amplifier using op amp. This is going to be treated as differential amplifier using op amp and this is a simple differential amplifier circuit using op amp, what we know, and V0 can be written for this one as V0 can be written as the value for this one RF divided by R1 times of V plus minus V minus. V plus implies nothing but voltage at non-inverting terminal, so that is nothing but in terms of it is V2 minus V1 you can write. So for a differential amplifier, Vout is equal to V0 is equal to RF by R1 times of voltage connected at non-inverting terminal minus voltage connecting at inverting terminal. Remember this one. So according to this equation, you can say this is RF and it is R in. Okay, so R in is nothing but R1, we are saying it. So this is R1 and it is RF. So V0 can be written as RF by R1, RF by R1 times of voltage connected at non-inverting terminal is B minus voltage connecting at inverting terminal. This is what output equation for the differential amplifier, and we know RF and R1 value, so we are going to calculate voltage at A and voltage at B terminals. If you know A and B values for the given cases, at that time you can calculate the output voltage. Okay, so point A is going to be this one and it is the voltage across this one. This is point A and it is point B. Voltage at A can be written as A is equal to, if you are observing this is 10 volts, the 10 volts is dropping across, this 10 volts connected to this branch RARB and this branch also, and it has given that one the preceding stage op amp is not loading this bridge. That is nothing but the meaning is current flowing through this one is assumed as 0. Current flowing into internals is assumed as very small. It is not loading, so entire current is dropping through going through RA and RB branch, and current flowing through this one is going through this branch. Both are in parallel. Now you can use voltage division rule since the op amp is not loading this bridge. Okay, so bridge values can be calculated independently. So voltage at A can be calculated. Okay, voltage at A can be calculated using this equation. A is equal to RB divided by RA plus RB into 10 volts, and voltage at B can be written as RC divided by RC plus RD into 10, because 10 is the 10 volts we are supplying for that one, it has given. Now for the first case, so case 1, when RA is equal to RB is equal to RC is equal to RD is equal to 100 ohms, by that time all are going to be same, so A is equal to B is equal to 5 volts you will get. So that V0 can be written as RF by R1 12 by 10 kilo ohms into B minus A is nothing but 0, so you will get 0 volts for the first case. and second case we are going with. Second case, only RD is given as 120 ohms. RD is 120 and RC is 100. A value is nothing but both are same resistors. You will get A value as 5 volts. And for this B is equal to, you can write it as 100 divided by 100 plus 120 into 10. Okay, that is nothing but 100. 1000 divided by 220. 1000 divided by 220 is nothing but 100 divided by 22 you can write. Okay, A value is 5 volts. So V0 is equal to 12 kilo ohms divided by 10 kilo ohms, RF by R1. RF is 12 kilo ohms, R1 is 10 kilo ohms into, okay, just this is I am writing, RF is 12, R1 is 10. B value is 100 by 22. 100 by 22 minus A value is 5 volts. Okay, so 22 into 5 is 110. 100 minus 110 is nothing but it is 12 by 10 into minus 10 divided by 22. So this will be equal to V0 is equal to minus 0.552 you will get, minus 0.552 volts. So V0 value for the second case is minus 0.552 volts. Okay, so this is going to be giving, generally this type of bridge is going to be connected across transducers whose output voltage, whenever it varies, that change in output voltage is going to be converted into output voltage with gain with the help of operational amplifier. So output voltage for this question is minus 0.552 volts. Thank you.